How to convert a Canva presentation to Google Slides presentations. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to convert a Canva presentation to Google Slides. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Canva and find your presentation. Click your icon at top right corner of your screen and here you need to simply click on the download button at bottom left corner of the screen. Now set the file type to PPTX. So you can easily click on this arrow and then select Microsoft PowerPoint document. Make sure that you select all the pages and then click on download button and wait for it until it gets downloaded. Now you can easily open the PPTX and then you can easily locate it on your preferred location. After that, you need to click on the new tab icon and then open Google Slides in your browser. So let me type in Google Slides. From this result page, click on the first one. And here you can easily sign into Google Slides. Once done, click on the file picker icon and now select Upload. Click on Browse or you can easily drag a file here. Locate the same PPTX and then open it. Now click on the Open button at bottom right corner of the screen. After a while, your presentation will upload and open in Google Slides. Some elements may slip slightly, but it should work fine when presenting. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.